Now we will see the topic reactions in solutions and its concentration. We know a solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reacting substances. The component which is present in small amount is called the solute, and the other which is present in larger amount is called solvent. For example, if I have 100 ml of water and I add some 2 grams of sugar, this forms a solution. The component which is present in smaller amount is solute. Sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. The majority of chemical reaction taking place in laboratories in solution form. Therefore, it is very important to understand the amount of solute present in the solution form, what we call a strength of the solution or concentration of the solution. The concentration of solution can be expressed in many ways. Some of the ways is given here. First one is mass percent or weight percent. It is given by W by W percent. The mass percent or weight percent of solute is the mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. The next concentration is molarity concentration. It is given by capital M. It is number of moles of the solute by volume of solution in liters. It is volume of the solution in liters. It should be converted into liters if it is given in ml. And molality concentration, it is given by small m. It is the number of moles of the solute by mass of the solvent in kilograms. Mass of the solvent here. Mass of the solvent in kilograms. In both this molarity and molarity, we know the numerator part, number of moles of the solute. Number of moles of the solute is given by given mass by molar mass of the solute. The next concentration is important, mole fraction. The mole fraction is given by the ratio of number of moles of that component to the total number of moles of the components in solution. For example, if we have a solution having a solute and a solvent, the number of moles of the solute is represented by N2. The number of moles of the solvent is represented by N1. Therefore, the mole fraction of solute Chi2 is given by number of moles of the solute N2 by number of moles of the whole total number of moles of the solution, that is number of moles of the solute plus number of moles of the solvent. Similarly, mole fraction of the solvent Chi1 is the number of moles of the solvent by total number of moles in the solution, N1 by N1 plus N2. N2 is the number of moles of solute, N1 is the number of moles of the solvent. In a solution, the mole fraction, the sum of mole fraction of all components is equal to 1. So in this case, the mole fraction of solute plus mole fraction of solvent is equal to 1. Now let us see a problem. A solution is prepared by adding 2 grams of substance A to 18 grams of water. Calculate mass percent of solute. So here 2 grams of substance A added to 18 grams of water. Therefore, A is solute and water is the solvent. Mass of solute A is 2 grams and mass of water is 18 grams. So we have to calculate mass percent of solute. Mass percent of solute is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass of solute is 2 grams by mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So mass of solution is equal to mass of solution 2 plus mass of solvent 18 into 100. Therefore, it is 2 by 20 into 100 is equal to 10%. This is the mass percent of the solute in solution. Let us see another problem. It is based on the molarity concentration. The question is, calculate the molarity of NaOH in solution prepared by dissolving its 4 grams in enough water to form 250 ml solution. So here we know what is solute and solvent. 4 grams of NaOH is added to water to form 250 ml solution. So solute is NaOH and solvent is water. It forms NaOH solution, sodium hydroxide solution, whose volume is 250 ml. For such solution, we need to calculate the molarity. What is the molarity formula? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. And solute is NaOH here. And the number of moles of solute is given mass by molar mass. What is the mass of solute given? It is 4 grams. So 4 by its molecular weight of NaOH is 40. Therefore, molarity is equal to number of moles 4 by 40 by volume of solution in liters. Volume of solution is 250 ml. In order to convert into liters, divided by 1000. So 4 by 40 into reciprocate 1000 by 250, which gives 0.5 molar concentration of NaOH. Let us see another problem. The density of 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 grams per ml. Calculate molality of the solution. So here 3 molar solution is given, that is molarity concentration is given. And its density is 1.25 grams per ml. That is 3 molar solution density is 1.25 grams per ml. We have to calculate the molality of the solution. What is the given? The given data, the molarity is equal to 3 molar given. 3 molar concentration given. What do you mean by 3 molar concentration? Molarity is number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. So it is molarity given 3 molar, which means 3 moles in 1 liter. We can take this as this. 3 molar concentration is nothing but 3 moles in 1 liter. So the given data, molarity is 3 molar and it is 3 moles in 1 liter. So you can consider the number of moles of solute NaCl is 3 moles. And mass of the solute is nothing but the number of moles into its molecular weight. The molecular weight of NaCl is 58.5. This is equal to 3 into 58.5 is equal to 175.5 grams. We have to calculate the molality. What is molality formula? Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kilograms. Okay. Number of moles of solute is known. That is, number of moles of solute is 3. Mass of solvent in kilograms we have to find. We know that the mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. We need mass of solvent. Therefore, mass of solvent is equal to mass of solution minus mass of the solute. Mass of solute we know, that is 175.5 grams. Mass of solute we know. What is mass of solution? It is given that the density for 3 molar NaCl solution is 1.25 grams per ml, which means that I have 3 molar NaCl solution. If you take 1 ml of this solution, its weight is 1.25 grams. The mass of solution in 1 ml is 1.25 grams. The solution is for 1 liter. So the mass of 1 liter of the solution is how much? It is 1 ml contains this much of mass. Therefore, 1 liter means 1000 ml. 1000 ml contains 1.25 into 1000 is equal to 1250 grams. Because density is nothing but mass by volume, right? So this much of mass, 1.25 grams present in 1 ml. Therefore, for 1000 ml, it is 1250 grams. So the whole mass of the solution is 1250. The mass of solution is 1250 and minus mass of solute we found already 175.5 grams. So when it is subtracted, you get 1074.5 grams. Now we have to substitute. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kilograms. So number of moles of solute is 3. Mass of solvent is in kilogram is 1.0745, which is equal to 2.79 molality, molal concentration. So this is the actual way to do it. But you can take it as a short, you can do it in short form. Whenever a concentration, molarity and molality is related and the density of the solution is given, you can easily solve this problem using this formula. Molality is equal to molarity by 1000 times density minus number of moles, that is molarity, into its molecular weight of the solute. So you can substitute here. Molarity is 3, density is 1.25, 1000 times density, therefore 1.25 into 1000 is 1250 minus molarity is 3 into molecular weight of the solute is 58.5. So on substituting, you will get 2.79 mole.